Morning everyone. Today group discussion topic is, can lack of sleep reduce productivity and concentration? Yes, of course. Um, when we do not get sleep, that time we feel tired and nervous. You don't focus on your goals also. That time sleeping is very important in our everyone's life. Um, if you focus on your goals, and if you focus on your study exams and your interview also, you do not get proper sleep. That time you feel uh, more nervous, some anxiety also there. That's why sleeping is very important in everyone's life.
Sleep is one of the most important requirement for healthy and productive life. It allows the body and mind to recover, to sleep, and uh, to do to prepare for the next day. If the if the people doesn't sleep, then that people uh, cons- uh, that people lacks concentration and uh, productivity. As for example, if the people doesn't sleep at night, he may lead to different type of diseases. As for example,
It may lead to
it may lead to different type of diseases like uh, vomiting, acidity, and blood pressures, like that happens. If people yeah, people if the people doesn't
don't
if the people don't sleep properly, then he he doesn't focus on your work, and his attention his he his attention will decrease. His attention becomes decreased, and sometimes in decision making times, people takes more time to take decisions, and sometimes people uh, to take more decision, and people get more tired, and more feel less energetic, and if the people doesn't sleep well, every people need 7 to 8 hours uh, in a night, but people doesn't sleep.
People don't sleep.
If the people don't sleep, then what then he wait.
If instead of people you say one,
Yes,
if one doesn't sleep, so when you say example, the people don't sleep, say one.
um, and become tired, what and if he and his learning capacity will his learning capacity becomes decreases. So the people have to sleep more in a day.
According to me, lack of sleep is very important for everyone.
Lack of sleep.
Sorry,
Sleep is
sorry, sir. Lack of sleep has negative impact on our life. When person does not uh, does not enough sleeps,
does
they
not
feel
have.
does not have enough sleep. They feel like laziness and laziness and feel tired, and they do not work they do not concentrate on your work, and um, work on properly, and they do not find difficulties for our work. For children's
Children.
for children, sleep is very important. If they do not sleep properly, uh, uh, where there is a effect on study and growth also. and eyes like weak and painful. So everyone should sleep like 7 to 8 hours. For children, 8 to 9 hours for sleep is important.
According to my opinion, lack of sleep can reduce productivity and concentration, because if we do not get enough sleep, your body may be tired, stressful, irritated, and very less concentration. Because if we don't take enough sleep, your body becomes more your body creates more problem, and more health issues like blood pressure, sugar, and also anxiety. Anytime you do not any work properly, easily, and clearly. If we get enough sleep, that time you think properly, you do any work clearly, and you achieve their goal very quickly. But if you get a very little sleep, that time your body becomes damaged, because without sleep we can't do anything easily. So sleep is very important. Many people thought sleep is waste of time, but according to me, sleep is not wasted time. Sleep is very important in our body. If people get enough sleep, their work finished very quickly, and their work very in focus, and also dedication. And also sleep is very important for children. Sleep is very important for all of you. Without sleep, they can't do anything. And also many people think if people work at night, that time they feel tired, and also they lack of concentration, and they do not success easily. But if we people do work at balance, and they manage your time and work time also, they also becomes a successful person, and also they take time they take care of their body also. So yeah, sleep is very important for everyone.
Yeah, when you speak about success, you try to use the word succeed. So V2 succeeded, again V3 succeeded, successful adjective, successfully adverb. Try to use those words. Okay, yeah.
According to my opinion, sleep gives rest to body and brain. If you don't have enough sleep, it may be difficult to do any other work. If everyone has at least 6 to 7 hours sleep, so if you don't have any sleep, it increase the obesity problem and health problems. If proper sleep, you have a good concentration and memory. Today, everyone don't have any sleep, according to other work problems. Okay.
Yeah, so let me ask one question to Kalpana. How does lack of sleep affect productivity?
Yes, sir. If you have more work, and if you have more projects, in case example, if you work on IT company, that time they will give one project. You will get more time, and you can't sleep also. Why you didn't complete that project? your manager also forcing, your team leader also very force you, will force. That time we can you did not sleep also, you did not get sleep also. That time you
will
affect,
not.
that time you affect your sleep and your body also. If you sleep properly, if you sleep properly, that time you will think clear, and your mind will be free, clear. That time your think also,
You
uh,
thought.
you thought also very unique, and you able to think unique also. That time your project will be completed soon.
Why is sleep important for concentration?
Sleep important for concentration because if one sleep more, then that time brain do work more, and our sir, tell me again, sir, question.
Why is sleep important for concentration?
What is
Why is sleep important for concentration?
sleep important for concentration? Uh, because if we sleep at night properly, then we feel they people feel better, and people if people feel better, then automatically mind mind do work for any work and for any things, and people focused on their works. So sleep is important, or sleep is constant important for any productivity work.
To our productivity, okay. Any productivity work running to our productivity. Yeah. How many hours of sleep do you need each night?
Avoid.
How many hours of sleep do you need each night? How many hours of sleep do you need
Need.
each night? How many hours do you need to sleep?
Hours. Hours. Okay. How many hours do we? Okay. So everyone needs minimum 7 to 8 hours every night, because many peoples get more work, and they do not sleep properly, so feel tired, only sleep 5 hours, so they feel tired and laziness, and complete their work. So everyone need minimum 7 to 8 hours
Sleep.
sleep
Everyone
every
needs.
night. Everyone needs.
When do you usually go to bed?
Hmm?
When do you usually go to bed?
Every day, not every day, not a time fixed for me, because every day I go to bed another
In different timings.
in different time. But yeah, if I follow my routine, and I go to bed in every day at same time, that time our body get enough rest. And also if I do not get enough rest, that time I feel more tiredness, tiredness, uh, irritated, and also our focus are not there any work. So if I get enough sleep every day, that day I feel more energetic. Our mind also fresh, and I do any work very easily and also quickly. So if I follow my routine, that time we feel more concentration and dedication with my work. But when I not follow my routine, mm, and I do not get proper sleep, this day I feel like more um, less concentration. So
Okay, fine.
so
What can people do to improve their sleep quality?
Sleep quality. If everyone improve to their sleep quality, at least every night they sleep 7 to 8 hours. If example I have given, if you go to the bed at 10 a.m., 10 p.m., so every day go to at 10 p.m., you have a good sleep. Otherwise, you have to go different timings if you don't have enough sleep.
One last question to Kalpana. Why do some people sleep less than they need?
Why? Because they are they have more work in our home also, in our office also. That time many people sleep will less, is take low time. That time people will get affect our brain also, and affect our health also. That's why if you have more work, you will you will finish early, you will sleep early. That time you should clear our mind also, you should maintain our health also, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.